Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, so far we have finished the first 5 lessons in our Qa'ida course, and that was about the Arabic alphabet, which is chapter 1. Today, inshallah, we will look at lesson 6, which will deal with question and answer about the first 5 lessons. So take a few seconds and look through the Arabic alphabet once more, and then we will start today's lesson with question and answer, because it is about identification of letters. Okay, so are we ready? Let's see what the first question is. Take your time, look at the question, and keep the answer in your mind, and then we will see what the answer is. One more thing, get a paper and a pen or a pencil with you, because some of our questions we will need a paper and a pencil to write some of the letters. Okay, so let's start. Let's see what the first question is. Question 1. Which letter is written below? So look at the yellow letter and see what that letter is. Keep it in your mind, and then we will see what the answer is. Yeah, we will take about 5 seconds to give the answer. So are we ready? Okay, let's take 5 minutes and ponder upon that letter. All right, so let's look at what the answer is. So the answer for that letter is THAA. Excellent. So if you had THAA in mind, then MashaAllah, your answer is correct. Now celebrate, say MashaAllah. Yeah? As for those who didn't get it right, then there is no reason to worry. Just look back at lesson 1 to 5, revise it, and then you can always watch this video again to go through the questions. And okay, so let's look at question 2. Which letter is written below? Now take 5 seconds again and keep the answer. Okay, let's see what the answer is for question 2. The answer is KHAA. The letter is KHAA. Excellent. So now let's look at question 3. Which letter is written below? And the answer for that is Zaay or Za or Zayn. Yes? So the answer is Zaay. Now let's look at question 4. Which letter is written below? The answer for that is Daad. Daad. And the R on the right hand side tells us that Daad is pronounced round or full mouth. Let's look at question 5. Which letter is written below? The answer for that is Ain. The answer for question 5 is Ain. Excellent. So all those who got the first 5 questions correct, then MashaAllah, and you have done very well. Those who got some incorrect, then we can always look back at lesson 1 to 5. Okay, let's move on to question 6. Question 6 says, is this the letter Ra? So now we have to look at the yellow letter, and the question is that Ra? So the answer for that would either be yes or no. So is that Ra? Let's see what the answer is, if it is yes or no. The answer for that is no. The answer for that is no. It is Daal. The letter we just saw was Daal and was not Ra. Ra is like the yellow one that we have seen there at the bottom. So that is how Ra is. The similarity between the two of them is that they are very close in similarities, and but Ra is a little bit longer. Question 7, let's see what question 7 has. Is this the letter Fa? Now let's look at that and see if it's Fa. Answer for that is no. Again, that is not Fa. It is Off. And Fa is written as the bottom one. Just like the bottom one. The yellow one is Fa. And the one we saw just now was Off. Question 8. Let's see what question 8 has. Is this the letter Lam? Now, let's see if the answer is yes or no. Is that Lam? Yes. The answer is yes. That was Lam that we have just seen. So this is Lam. Question 9. Is this the letter Noon? Take 5 seconds. The answer for that is no. It is Ba. So that wasn't Noon, that was Ba. Noon is written with the dot on top and a little bit more rounder. Question 10. Is this the letter WAAW? Take 5 seconds. Now let's see if that is WAAW. The answer for that is no. That is not WAAW. That is MEEM. WAAW is the yellow one that is written below there. Question 11. Let's see what that is. Which letter is SHEEN? So here we have A and B. So our answer would either be A or B. So we look at the letter A and we look at the letter B and see if or which one is SHEEN. So take 5 seconds again and see if A is correct or if B is correct. The answer for question 11 is B. B is SHEEN. Okay? And the A was THAA. Yeah? So the answer was SHEEN or is SHEEN. Question 12. Which letter is JEEM? Is it A or is it B? The answer for that is B again. JEEM is written with the dot inside of the belly. So the answer is B. A, which was KHAA, the dot is written above the head. So the answer is B. Question 13. Which letter is DHAA? The answer for that is A. DHAA is written on the letter A. The letter B has the letter HAA. Okay. Question 14. Which letter is Ghain? Is it A or is it B? Let's take 5 seconds to gain the answer. The answer for that, Ghain, is on the letter B. So Ghain is B and A has the letter SHEEN. Excellent. Question 15. Which letter is KAF? Is it A or B? The answer for that is B. KAF is written against B and A has SAAD. Okay. Now, before we move on to question 16, take a few seconds and look at the alphabet once more, because question 16 would start with writing, which is a little bit more difficult than question 1 to 15. So take some time and look at the alphabet again. Pause the video if you want, look at the alphabet, and then move on to question 16. So let's see what question 16 is. Write the letter Hamza. So the paper that you have and the pen or pencil, write Hamza on it. Keep it with you and then we will see the answer. Okay? Okay, so let's see if you have written the correct answer for Hamza. So Hamza is written like this. So Hamza is written like this. Now check your paper and see if it's the same. If it is close to that, then that's okay, because at the moment we are not doing handwriting. Yeah, we will do handwriting after we finish the course of the Qaida. Then inshallah we will look into handwriting in another course bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So let's move on to question 17. Keep your paper with you and we're gonna write again. In fact, the rest of the questions will be about writing. So question 17 says, write the letter Daal. Write the letter Daal. Okay, now let's check the answer and see if it is correct or not. The letter Daal looks like this. So now look at the answer, look at your paper and see if it is correct or not. Question 18. is write the letter MEEM. Okay, so now let's check the answer and see if your answer is correct. So the letter MEEM is written like this. So that is MEEM. So let's see if your answer is correct or not. Okay, now let's look at question 19. 19 is write the letter YA. Okay, now let's check your answer. So the letter YA is written like this. Check your answer on your paper and the one on the video and see if it is correct. Now, all those who got all the answers correct so far, congratulations to you and celebrate by saying MashaAllah. And again, those who've got some incorrect, then look back at the alphabet or look back at the videos from lesson 1 to 5, and then we can come back on lesson 6 to go through these questions again. All right? So, let's see question 20. Write the letter Ain. The answer for that is Ain, this one. So this is how we write Ain in Arabic. A little bit, a small head or a back to front C, and then a big belly at the bottom. Yeah, or a big C at the bottom. I normally say head and belly, and sometimes I use tail. So for Ain, I would say a small head and a big belly. Okay. Question 21. Let's see what it has. Oh, this one is 2. So this one is very difficult or longer. So we will give a bit of more time. So when you're watching this video, you can pause the video for a longer time, write it on your paper, then check your answer. So now we have to write 2 letters. The first letter is THAA. The second letter is SHEEN. So write that. Okay, let's check your answer. The answer is the first one, which is THAA, and the second one, which is SHEEN. Okay, so in Arabic, THAA is the first one here, yeah, and SHEEN is the second one, because Arabic goes from right to left. So THAA here is the first one, and SHEEN is the second one. Okay, so now let's look at question 22. Write the letters SAAD and WAAW. Okay, let's check the answer for SAAD and WAAW. SAAD, which is the first letter, is written like this one. And WAAW, which is the second letter, is written like this here. Okay? Now it doesn't matter how we are going through this on the video if it is too fast. When you are looking at the video, you can always pause and take how long you want to write it on your paper. All right? So let's see question 23. Write the letters Daal and Zaay. Daal and Zaay. So the answer for that is Daal and Zaay. So this here is Daal and this one is Zaay. Okay? Question 24. Write the letters Laam and Alif. Laam and Alif. Take 10 seconds or more if you want. Okay, the answer for that is Laam and Alif. Laam is the first one and Alif is the second one. Yeah, Laam and Alif. And the final question today is write the letters KHAA and JEEM. KHAA and JEEM. The answer for that is KHAA. So this is KHAA and this is JEEM. So we see that where the dots are. On KHAA, the dot is written above the head. In JEEM or on JEEM, we have the dot is written in the belly. Okay? So this will bring us to the end of lesson 6, which is identification of Arabic letters. So we did it in a question and answer. So again, we say that those who has got all correct, mashallah, and those who's got some incorrect, then we can always look back at lesson 1 and 5 and then come back to lesson 6 and redo the question. I hope to see you guys, inshallah, in chapter 2, which is our next chapter, and that would be the short vowels. Yeah, the 3 short vowels: Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. Okay, so thank you all for watching and following these lessons. Wajazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.